Once you have created your multi-step program template, it's time to set up your multi-step program. The assignment flow has 2 steps. First, select the template you want to use. Next, choose the properties you want to enroll. If you're routing out a new fertilization program to 200 customers, check all 200 at once. You can also filter by zip code, use tags, or search for the customer. You can add as many customers to this program as you need. Next, set the start date. The start date anchors the entire program. Every step interval is calculated forward from that date. So, if step 2 is 30 days after step 1, it will occur 30 days after the start date you set. After clicking Create Program, LawnPro will show you a preview of every program that will be generated across every selected property. Review the dates, make any necessary adjustments, and then click Generate Visits. Then, click Generate All Visits to push everything to the schedule. All those visits get created automatically, no manual entry needed.